Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2022 Toyota RAV4 with some great exterior features that include roof rails and crossbars, a hood deflector, along with a full 3M package. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got cloth interior with red accent stitching. This RAV4 also comes equipped with power seat adjustments and all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio and phone controls. On the right you've got Toyota Safety Sense along with your cruise. Down below on the left side here you have your heated steering wheel button. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio, Bluetooth phone connection, along with some vehicle information and a backup camera. Right below that you have your dual zone climate controls and your heated seat switches. Underneath here you have your outlets, and beside your gear shifter you've got your Eco, Sport, and Trail modes, which show up on the dash screen. Taking a look at the rear seats, we have two fold-out cup holders, along with two outlets at the back of the center console and a storage pouch in the passenger seat back. The back of this RAV4 comes with a ton of storage space and includes an all-weather cargo liner, as well as a cargo net to keep things from sliding around. We also have this retractable privacy screen. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2022 Toyota RAV4 with some great interior features that include a heated steering wheel, dual zone climate controls, heated seats, along with a cargo liner and cargo net. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.